I just want you guys to take note of this thing now. I have been telling you guys this thing before now, but I don't know if many of you guys are putting it into practice. But there's one guy that just chatted me up this evening. The guy chatted me up this evening. The guy watched my previous video, but it's like the guy liked what he saw. So the guy just chatted me up this evening. He was just like asking me how my trade has been going. Actually, the guy has been trading for the past 1 year. So the guy told me his experience. Then from his experience, I realized that guy is doing well because he told me that he is now battling with his risk management and rest of it. Sure you get. But based on me and that guy's discussion, I realized that guy is at the right track. Sure you get. So let's just try. Don't joke with your risk management. So see what I used to do. My normal indicator anytime I want to trade. First of all, if I'm about to do my normal market research, just like if I wake up, I'll first of all check the commodity board. One, I'll check, like I'm trading a Australia dollar, I'll check the strength of gold. Two, then I'll check if the market is, if you're in risk off or risk on. Three, then I'll check around 8, if you're trading a exchange section, around 8 a.m. Sorry, if you're trading a New York section. Yeah, that's London section. Sorry, London section and Europe section. So if you're trading this section, check around 8 a.m. They used to release maybe news. That's a Bloomberg Live TV used to release. They just go to your YouTube, type bloomberglive.com. Bloomberg Live, just Bloomberg Live in YouTube. Then around 8 a.m. they used to release news. Then that's news. They will show you something in table form. They call it GMM. Sure again. In that GMM, they will display to you the currency that are leading at that moment. The currencies, the ones that are leading, the ones that are weak. Sure again. They even show you commodity. If commodity is strong, they will show you commodity there. If commodity is weak, they will show you that is weak. Then it's based on that fact now you can determine which pairs to buy and you want to sell. Just like if you check on commodity board, if you check whether you are risk on or risk off, if you make your normal market research to check the currencies, the ones that are weak and the ones that are strong. Then you check gold, if gold is strong, like those of you trading a Australia dollar. Then check oil also. So if after checking all this stuff now, if gold is strong, know that it will support AUD. If commodity is strong, it will support Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar. Then if oil is strong, it will support a Canadian dollar. So this fact, after checking it, if you are risk on, high beta currencies will be supported. If you are in risk off, safe haven currencies will be supported. So when you try to combine all these things now, you know the pairs, the ones that are strong and the ones that are weak. Then what you have to do now is try to pair the weak against the strong. Sure you get. When you pair the weak against the strong, then that's when our normal strategy will come in. Sure you get. Any strategy you are using at all, no strategy is better than the other. Sure you get. Even if you are using only trend line or those using moving average, Fibonacci, stochastic, oscillator, everything, that's when your strategy will come in. Then without your strategy, already you know that you're supposed to buy this particular pair or you're supposed to sell this particular pair. Then without your strategy, you then know when to buy it, share gates, and when to sell it. So that's how I do trade. And it's working perfectly for me. So let's try it this way. Those of you getting started, let's just try. If you already have a strategy working for you, fine. But try to do this market research. Try to do this market research because those of you, those day traders, what move the market is sentimental. Share it. Sentiment move the market. Then those long-term traders, fundamentals. Share it. You cannot just come and draw line, 1 or 2 line. You expect markets maybe to respect that line you drew. There's something moving that market. There is something moving that market. Let's try to have this market research. To bear this in mind. If you are losing, please do not be discouraged. As you can see, I entered the 10 trades and I lost 4, profit from 6. But if you try to weigh the whole thing now, you notice that I'm still on profit. I'm losing. All of us were still losing. Share it. Do not be discouraged. If you are losing, do not be discouraged. As a loss is part of the trade. But the most important thing for us to be able to manage our risk. To be able to manage our loss. Share it. Risk management, proper risk management. We all were losing. You'll be surprised if I should tell you that you that is just making 30% a month, 30% a week is better than that trader that is trading with huge amount of money, making millions of dollars every day or thousands of dollars every day. You that is maybe maintaining your proper risk management, trading as is supposed, you are far better than that person. None of us can double account. Yes, we can double account, but it's not good for us. You can just account of $100, you can flip it to thousands of dollars within a day, within 2 days. All of us can do it, but that's not how to trade. Let's trade the proper way. That's not how to trade. We can do it, but just ask yourself that question. You make $10,000 with account of, within 1 day. If you should maybe eventually lose that $10,000 within a day, can you be able to bear the pain? Can you be able to bear it? No. So let's trade as we suppose. All of us can double our account, we can double it, but that's not how to do it. Let's trade as we suppose. Please, what matters most is consistency and the moving forward. Share you get it. So I have doubled. At least I moved the account of $15 to close to $700 within 3 days. I tried it, and I was very, very happy then. But when this thing landed on me, I regretted myself that moment. So all of us can double account, but that's not how to trade. Let's try to trade as it's supposed. So that is it for you guys, as we pray and hope for better trades as we're about to start in this trading week. So thank you, have a nice day. But remember, please, if you are here to subscribe, to follow, like and share, please help us share, follow and subscribe to our pages and our channel.